students, in previous class we have completed our first chapter revision. So let us move to now second chapter. Okay. We have already learned what is whole number. Yes. See, natural number also we have learned revision of second chapter. Yes, what is natural number? Natural numbers means all counting numbers. Yes, all counting numbers are called natural numbers. It is denoted by capital N. It is denoted by capital N. In the same way, which is related to natural numbers, the whole numbers also called like how where we include zero. Where we include zero. Where we include zero, it is nothing but whole numbers. Yes, whole numbers. Whole numbers, how it will be starting, which is denoted by capital W. The set of whole numbers will be starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, so on. Yes, so on infinity numbers means uncountable numbers. So where 0 is included in the whole numbers. Okay. Now based on this we are going to do some problems. Okay. Now in natural numbers we have done some addition, subtraction, and also greatest number, and also whole and also how the natural numbers will be taken on the number line. Yes, and also we have seen some of the in the first chapter we have learned number names, words, and also expanded form. Yes, now in whole numbers we are going to learn some important problems based on whole numbers, which is related to revision. Everyone keep your textbook in front of you and rough notes and write down in your notebooks. Okay. Now see, coming to the problems. See, I have already, we have done some problems on whole numbers, and how to identify whole numbers also we have learnt, which includes 0, and how to represent on number line also we have learnt from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, so on till infinity numbers. So for example, if they give 0 plus 5 is equals to 5, equal to 5. So when you do the addition, 0 to 5 equal to 5, which is represented on number line. Now for example, 3 plus 2 equal to 5. Now it should be represented on number line. How you represented in the whole numbers? You will start with 0. Okay, start with 0. So it will ended with number 5, because 0 to 3, 3 to 5. So which is 3 plus 2 equal to 5. The number is 5. In the same way, subtraction, addition, and also multiplication based on how to represent on number line also like this only. Okay, you practice on subtraction and also multiplication and also addition. Okay, in the same way, and you learn the definitions of whole numbers and also natural numbers also. It is very, very important. In key concepts, you learn definition of natural number and also whole numbers, which are very, very important. Okay, for revision. Okay, now let us see some more problems. Find the sum of suitable rearrangement. See, now there is a 2, 3, 8 plus, which is in the form of addition, Nana, which is in the, now sum means we have to add here. 238 plus 695 plus 162. 162. This is the number they have given. Now here take the 238 plus 16695 plus 162. Yes, take any two numbers and add. Now whatever, you can add these two numbers or these numbers. Okay, 238 plus 162 plus 695. Rearrange the numbers, rearrangement of numbers. Now see, now 238 plus 162 400. 400. Yes, 6 plus 3 9. 9 plus 1 10. 3 plus 2 plus 1 3 plus 400. Yes, 400 plus 162. 160. Sorry, 695. This is 695, Nana. This is 695. Yes, add now these 400 plus 695. 5, 9, 10. Yes, 4 plus 6 equal to 10. So 1095. Yes, you can rearrange the numbers like this when lesson number. You take the lesson numbers and you add, or also you can take any number and you can rearrange like a plus b formula. Okay, now which is in the multiplication? Yes, you can do that also, which is a multiplication. So let us see some of the problems on multiplication which are in the form of rearrangement. Yes. Now, see 25 into 1963 into 4. Yes. Now, we have to rearrange the numbers. Now, take the lesson number 25 into 4 into 1963. Now, multiply 25 4s are 4 5s are 20. 4 2s are 8 plus 1 plus 2 10. Yes, 100. 100 into 1963. Now multiply the number 1963 into 100. Yes, 0 0 0 0. Then 0 0 0 0. Yes, 1 3s are 3, 1 6s are 6, 1 9s are 9, 1 1s are 1. 0 0 3 6 9 1. This is the number. When we multiply the given number with 100, we get 196300. Yes. Now this is on based on multiplication. We have done already on addition. Yes. Now they have given some of the following problems suitable with the, yes, everything we have to do the with the same product and also addition. Okay. Now, yes. Now find the see next bit I am telling more one problem which is based on same Nana. You can do next problem also. I am going to tell the one problem in that. Okay. Third bit. Now first one 368 into 12 plus 18 into 368. Now 368. Now what is the common here? 368. Now we can see a multiplication also addition and also multiplication. Here you can see. But what is the common number it is given? We have to do multiplication at the same time addition. So you take the 368 number. 368 has a common and you multiply with the given 12 plus 18. Yes, 368 into 12 plus 18. 12 plus 18, 30. Yes. Now, what is the given here? What is the symbol it is given here? Multiplication. So, we have to multiply with the 30. 0, 0, 0. 3 8 are 24. 3 6 are 18. 20. 3 3 are 9 plus 2. 11. 0 4 0 1 1. Yes, 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 4 0. Yes, next problem also same you can do with the same method. Okay, next find the product using suitable properties. They have given 205 into 1989 with the suitable. Nana, it can be written as in the suitable. By using the properties, we have to complete that problem. Okay. A into B, A into A plus B, that is A. Now 205 into 1989. Now it can be written as, by using property we have to divide. Yes sir, 1989 into 205 equal to 1989 into 205 can be written as 200 plus 5. Yes. Now 1989 into 200 plus 1989 into 5, which is in the form of A into B plus B into C. Okay. B into A. Now it can be written as after multiplication, you multiply this. After this multiplication we get, see what is the multiplication number now? 200. 0, 0. Now 0 nines are 0, 0. Yes? 0, 0, 0, 0. 2 8s are 16. 2 9s are 18. Yes, 2 8s are 16 plus 1, 17. 2 9s are 18. 18 plus 1, 19. 2 1s are 2 plus 3. Yes? Now completed. 6, 0, 0, 8, 7, 9, 3. 3, 9, 3, 9, 7, 8, 0. Plus when you multiply 1, 9, 8, 9 into 5. 5 nines are 45. 45. 5 eights are 40 plus 4. 44. 5 nines are 45. 5 nines are 45 plus 4. 49. 5 nines are 5. 5 plus 4. 9. Yes? Double 9, 4, 5. When you multiplicate, afterwards we have to add 3, 9, 7, 8, 0, 9, 4, 5. 5, 4, 17, 9, 10, 17, 10, 1, 4. This is the answer when you multiply, when you divide in the property. Afterwards multiplication, afterwards addition, we get 4, 0, 7, 7, 4, 5. Okay? And also next problem easy, you can do that. Next, your first you can do in the same way, coming to the pattern. Now, match the following is very, very important, which is given for the division. Okay? Match the following. First one, 1991 plus 7 equal to 7 plus 1991. Second one, 68 into 50 equal to 50 into 68. Third one, 1. Fourth one, 0. Fifth one, 879 into 100 plus 30 equal to 879 into 100 plus 879 into 30. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. Now, these they have given some of the numbers. We have to declare which property they have belongs to. Okay. Which they belongs to, which property they have belong, we have to write that. Multiplicative property or additive property or subtraction or commutative or distributive, which is suitable to given numbers, we have to write that. Okay. Distributive property and commutative under multiplication. Commutative under multiplication. Commutative under multiplication. Now see the given 1991 plus 7, a plus b equal to b plus a plus b plus a plus b equal to b plus a. So which is in the under addition property. So this can be clear that is a additive property or multiplicative or commutative property, distributive property, commutative under multiplication. Now it is given under addition. So there it is not given with the addition. So directly a plus b equal to b plus a, it is a commutative, we can declare. Yes, it is a C. Now, a into b equal to b into a, which is in the form of commutative property only, but they have changed the signs. Yes, it is here in the property of addition, it is in the property of under multiplication. Okay, we can easily identify this is a under commutative property and also under multiplication. So we check where it is given commutative under multiplication. So here it is a commutative property, here commutative under multiplication. Yes. Now see 1. Third one is 1. Now 1 it is related to additive property or multiplicative property or multiplication. See whatever it is commutative it is completed. Yes. Under additive identity or additive property or identity number which is related to in the multiplication or subtraction, that is equal to 1. So now additive property or multiplicative property, distributive property. So which is under when we multiply with 0 or anything, we get with the 1 which is related to 1, that is additive property or multiplicative property. Yes, multiplicative identity which is equal to 1 or 0, so it is equal to 1. Yes, now in additive identity which is equal to, see automatically we have completed with 1, so already we have know which is equal to, which is left additive property which is equal to 0. Yes sir, 879 into 100 plus 30 equal to 879 into 100, 879 into 30. A into B, A into A plus B, A into B plus C. This is a form of A into B plus C. A into B plus A into C. This is a form of distributive law which is left with distributive. Don't be confused with associative law and also distributive law. A which is in the form of multiplication. Okay. Okay. Now everyone clear? This is, don't confuse with the signs, Nana. If they give minus also, if they give the multiplication also, they mention, Nana, you don't think same as it is will be coming in the exam. It may be changed also. They may give the signs change also. In the presence of plus, they may give the minus or into, but we don't which the property which is related to that, which satisfies also the given property. Also we can choose and we can write the answer. Okay, everyone understood? Copying the textbook and complete this. Okay, and next symbols also we have in exercise 2.1 appropriate symbol also, that is greater than or less than, we have learnt in the first chapter also. You can complete. 8 is greater than 8 dash 7 they have given, and also 5 dash 2 it is given, 0 dash 1 it is given, 10 dash 5. Now 8 is greater than 7, 5 is greater than 2, 0 is less than 1, 10 is greater than 5. We can appropriate easy symbols like this. And also study the pattern, Nana. Study the pattern. By using number line also they have given some of the numbers. We can represent on the number line, Nana. Easily we can complete that. So let us see one problem for that. Afterwards we go for study the pattern. Yes. Now see using number line, I told you now only using number line by addition or by subtraction that we can easily complete. They have given 3 numbers. One is 6 plus 7 plus 7. Yes. Now by giving 3 numbers also we can do. What is the total number when you add 14? 14 plus 6. 14 plus 6. How much? Yes, 14 arrange on number line. Arrange on number line. See, in the whole numbers we are going to arrange on number line. How it is related to, how it is started from, which includes 0 and it started from 0. Yes, 0, 1, 2. Total number is 20. So we have to write it 20. 17, 18, 19, 20. Yes, these are the numbers arranged till 20, which includes 0 in the whole number. We are doing the number line in the form of whole numbers. So we have to represent these numbers on the number line. Now it starts with 0 to 6, 0 to 6, 6 to 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, that is when you add these two. From 0 plus 6 equal to 6, and also from 6 plus 7 equal to 13, then 13 plus 7 equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, it equal to like this. Now 6 plus 7 plus 7 equal to 20. You have to write this. Okay. Now 18 minus 9 also we have to do in the same problem, in the subtraction also. In the plus, same, on the subtraction will be coming on left side. We have to by the left side. Okay. Now see, on subtraction 18 minus 9 equal to 9. So it should be arranged on number line. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Yes. Now 0 to 18. Yes. 0 to 18 and minus 9 we have to take the minus 9. Yes. 18 minus 9 equal to 9. Yes. In the same way, multiplication also. In the same way, multiplication. Multiplication 5 into 3 equal to, when you multiply 5 into 3 we get 15. This should also be represented on number line which start with 0. Yes. Now 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13, 14, 15. Yes. Now we have to write in the numbers 0 to 15. 0 to 5. Yes, 5 to 3. 1, 2, 3. 5 3s are. So how should be write? 0 to 3 times we have to multiply. Yes, 5 into 3 equal to 15. Yes, understood? So you have to represent here. How? 0 to 5 into 1. Yes, 5. 5 into 2, 10. 5 3s are 15. Yes, you have to represent the numbers like this also. So, let us see last number, last sum which is related to division. Everyone, 1 into 8 plus 1 equal to 9. Exercise 2.3 Nana, everyone open. First problem you see, and 12 into 8 plus 2 equal to 98. Yes, 1, 2, 3 into 8 plus 3 equal to 987. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4 into 8 plus 4 equal to 9876. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next, 8 plus 5 equal to 98765. They are telling, write the next 4 steps. Can you find out how the pattern works? Yes, see, they are saying next 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Till they 5 they have done, we have to do next 4 steps. How to perform? Easily you can identify what is repeating number. Next number it is repeating. See, so on 1. See, next 2. Next, in third line 3. next fourth line 4, next fifth line 5. So automatically 4 steps means 1 2 3 4 5 6 is 8 plus 6 equal to 9 8 7 6 5 4. Yes. Now here you can see the decreasing order. See, afterwards I'll tell you, and also here the increasing order. Yes. Now see, 8 plus 7 equal to 9 8 7 6 5 4 3. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 into 8 plus 8 equal to 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2. Yes. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Next number 9. Yes, 8 plus 9 equal to 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. Yes, when you observe the pattern easily, they have given already 5 steps. They have saying to do next 4 steps. So you can see which is end with 5, where it is increasing in manner. Afterwards, after next step 7, next step 8, 8 step. Last step is next fourth step is 9. So which is multiplied with 8 and also which is added with 9. Number 6, 7, 8, 9. And also where you see here the decreasing order, where it is increased to from 9 to till 1. This is the pattern. And also next second sum you can do like this only. This is very important for the exam. Okay. I hope everyone understood the second chapter division. I hope everyone all the best, Nana. Practice well for the given sums. Okay, thank you.